Tango. How copy, over?
You are 55, 5 and 5, over.
Yeah, QSL 5 and 5, Don. You are 5 and 3, 53. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. QSL?
Roger on the 5 and 3, 5 and 3. Nice to have you in the log. Nice to get you in the log, over.
Yeah, okay, Don. I can hear Ed there, but I haven't been able to work it. Mike will be on frequency soon. QSL?
Yeah, Roger, we worked Ed on 40 metres. I think Mike should be on soon. Mike should be on this frequency soon, over.
No, he's coming onto this frequency, Tom. We didn't do any good on 40 metres, but Brian, I've got you in the log. I can hear Ed calling there, but I don't know if you're hearing. Over?
No copy on Ed. No copy on Ed.
Yeah, okay, Tom. 2 Echo 0 Kilo India Oscar from Victor Kilo 3 Delta Echo Tango. Not too bad, Tom. Fantastic to work there. Thank you.
Okie dokie, no worries. I think Mike is on frequency now. 2 Echo 0, Yankee Portable. You on frequency yet?
2 Echo 0, Kilo India Oscar, 2 Echo 0, Yankee Paul. Yeah, you're 5 and 9, 59, Dom, 59, onto Sugar Papa 021, QSL?
Yeah, QSL. Just worked Ed, so I'm happy now.
Yeah, I just heard you working, Ernie. I'll just give Ernie a shout. Victor Kilo 3, Delta Echo Tango, 2 Echo 0, Yankee Paul. Morning, Ernie. Yeah, 2 Echo 0, Yankee Portable, from Victor Kilo 3, Delta Echo Tango, and group. Yeah, 5 by 2 at the moment, Mike, 5 by 2, 52, QSL. Yeah, Roger, Ernie, thanks for the 52. I've got you 5 by 6. 5 by 6, QSL? Yeah, QSL 5 and 6. I can hear Ed in the background there, but he's not hearing me. But anyway, fantastic to get to the new and Dom in the log, over. Yeah, Roger. I hope that Dominic is... I think Dominic might be filming this, I'm not sure. But I think he's very, very happy to get you in the log, Ernie. Victor Kilo 3, Delta Echo Tango, 2 Echo 0, Yankee Portable in the group, QSL? Yeah, Roger, Mike, 2 Echo 0, Yankee Portable, from Victor Kilo 3, Delta Echo Tango. Yeah, fantastic to get you both. But unfortunately, Ed's not hearing me, I don't think. I can hear him, but not as good as you both there. Anyway, hope it's not too cold for both of you, over. Yeah, Roger. I couldn't hear Ed either. There's nothing from Ed either. Ernie, how much power are you running? Are you running the amplifier, or are you just running 100 watts, QSL? Running the amplifier, Mike. We're running the amplifier at the moment. Yeah, Roger. Well, the band should open up a little bit better in a minute or two, in 5 minutes maybe, but yeah, no problem to copy whatsoever. Victor Kilo 3, Delta Echo Tango, 2 Echo 0, Yankee Portable in the group. Yeah, okay, Mike, 2 Echo 0, Yankee Portable, VK3DET. Very good, Mike, coming through quite well. The usual QSB. Ed's asking there, are we still on 20 metres or 40? So I've been too busy filling out the log. If you want to, I'll reply, and I'll also put a spot up for Mike, over. Yeah, if you want to, absolutely no problem at all. I'll sit on this frequency with Dominic, and if we see if we can work a little bit of DX. Ernie, do you want to give Ed another call? Do you want to try giving Ed another call, QSL? Yeah, Roger, Mike. He looks like he's hearing something in there. Alright, I'll give him a call. I just sent the message then. I haven't had a chance to send a spot yet. That was only 5 minutes. Papa. Delta Echo Tango. Victor Kilo 3 Delta Echo Tango, Victor Kilo 3 Delta Echo Tango, 2 Echo 0, Yankee Paul. Yeah, any luck, Ernie?